What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm about to start part 2 of the video of the rain dripper delete. At the minimum, you'll need, well, actually, this is the only thing you really need. You need an air grinder with a flap disc. You need a cutoff wheel and welder. I have the big grinder out just in case I have some thick pieces of metal I need to weld down. Here we go. Before. While it's still on. Alright, YouTube, catch you later. Alright, YouTube. I'm gonna call this a done job for now. The AC, not the AC, I'm sorry, I'm tripping. The drip rail delete is complete. I'm coming back through here with like a softer material and strip the paint, finish stripping the rest of the paint with one of these pads. Where is it? I'll show you in a little bit, but oh, there we go. And this is that pad right there, but that pad right there, I'm gonna come back through and strip the rest of the paint. But the drip rail delete is complete. So the factory back in the day, the factory did some straight ass work. Like if you have a G body and you have water issues right here with rust and stuff, it's because of drip rail. So what the factory did is, see that gap? That's factory. That's a factory gap filled with Bondo. I don't know if you can see that in there, but that's a factory gap filled with Bondo. And then, so I'm having issues. I'm gonna come back through here. I'm gonna grind all this shit down. I'm gonna get a piece of metal. And I'm gonna weld in right here. This right here, I might have some metal the same thickness. I think I do. I just gotta find it. If I do, I'm gonna level this off. And if I don't, I'm going Bondo to get everything level. But I'm also gonna put a sealer down to seal this up. But yeah, see if we can get a front view of this. Sun glare. Right. That look good. Alright, YouTube, this job is complete. So this is my drop side. This side I did last night. So because of the dealership, the factory drip rail right here, same thing I showed you on the other side, caused this. I don't know if you see that rot, but all that rot inside there. So I'm gonna have to replace all that. Alright, YouTube.